Stomach growls aren't hungry. Your stomach growls due to the release of gases and stomach muscle contractions. This process happens around 90 to 120 minutes after eating when the stomach is empty. The migration motor complex controls the stomach's contractions, which can happen when the stomach is preparing for food. The complex involves 3 phases, including a preparatory phase for digestion. The stomach growls regardless of hunger, as it's a natural process to cleanse the stomach and prepare for the next meal. This process can occur even after eating a large meal, as the stomach is always preparing. So stomach growls aren't hungry. Now you know. What's your weirdest body quirk?